Yeah.
Evening guys, Al here again. As you've probably seen from the thumbnail, it's another review. Massive shout out to PLUSINNO, an American company who have reached out to me and sent me one of their rod racks, which has just turned up. So let's have a look. So first impressions is rock solid, to be truthful. Diameter is 3 to 19 mil, so ideal for my spinning rods. Beach casters probably won't fit in there. Diameters from like 22 to 24, but yeah, it is solid. So what we'll do is we'll get it on the wall and have a look. So I've just added a couple of spinning sections. They're rock solid in there. All different diameters, hold all the same. Nice bit of kit. There we go guys, a quick insight into the PLUSINNO rod rack. Now for me, we've been using it in the tackle shop for our rod repairs and the broken rods, and yeah, we've had no dramas at all. It's still rock solid on the wall. Yeah, it's a good bit of kit truthfully. If it was rubbish, I'd tell you, but now it's doing its job. It will stay with us for years to come. You can hold up to 9 rods. The beach casters probably won't fit, like I say, it's up to 19 mil, but once they're in, they are held firm. So highly recommend. PLUSINNO have given us a code PLG20, and I'll leave the link down below with the code. So if you do want 20% off, please click on the link, put the code in, and happy days. Thank you again to PLUSINNO, and as always guys, give us a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell so any adventures that we go on, you can come with us, and we'll see you in the next session.